The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
So, tonight's the night, Neil. How do you feel?
A bit nervous, but mostly excited. I've been practicing my speech all morning.
Just go out there, smile, and don't forget, mind your P's and Q's.
Eh? I know how to spell, Feifei.
You know what I mean.
Don't worry, I won't offend anyone.
Mind your P's and Q's is our phrase in the English we speak. If someone tells you to mind your P's and Q's, they're telling you to be polite in a social situation and to be careful about what to say or do.
Feifei, I'm always on my best behaviour. Now, let me practice my speech.
And I'll play some examples.
Gang, gang, gang! How many times have you told you to mind your P's and Q's when you're with your grandparents? Grandma doesn't like that kind of language.
Last week's meeting with our new clients was super frustrating, but I had to mind my P's and Q's. As they say, the customer's always right.
Lan always says the first thing that comes into her head. I just hope she minds her P's and Q's at lunch today.
You're listening to the English we speak from BBC Learning English. In this program, we're looking at the expression mind your P's and Q's. So, Neil, finish practicing your speech?
Not yet. I've been distracted by today's phrase. I've been looking it up online.
And?
Nobody agrees where it comes from. There are so many theories. One is that printers back in the 19th century used to get confused between the small letters P and Q.
They do look similar, so they had to mind their P's and Q's. Makes sense.
And there's another about bartenders in 17th century England. They used to serve beer in measures called pints and quarts. Pints with a P and quarts with a Q. When a customer was drinking too much,
They were told to mind their pints and quarts, their P's and Q's. Yes, makes sense too.
And there's another.
Neil,
Yes?
your speech is in 1 hour. Shouldn't you be practicing?
Oh, so it is.
And mind your P's and Q's.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.